In today's video, we are going to explain the process of setting up a set of trusses to be built at the truss table. Somebody will grab the next order of trusses that needs to be built. We have a guy or two picking truss plate for that order. Someone will get on the forklift and start bringing material to the table. And then once all the material is brought to the table, they will start setting up the jig. So once the jig is set, then we disperse the plates onto the table. Once somebody has done that, then it is time to start building trusses, and we'll press the first truss, and then it is just real repetitive after that. We then band all the trusses together to make a kit. And while a couple of guys are banding that set of trusses that are on the cart, somebody will take the paperwork down to the computer. They will issue all the material used. We paint the north end of the trusses with a red stripe. And then once that has been done, they are on to the next order. That was the process of setting up and finishing a set of trusses.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more post-frame content. Also, be sure to hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. If you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comment section below. And always remember, build with confidence.